Hello and welcome to Activities in Portugal. Today we're going to be visiting the area of Aveiro. It's just 40 minutes south of Porto and it is the most colourful district in the whole of Portugal. Number 1, Costa Nova. Costa Nova is the prettiest seaside village in the whole of Portugal. The area is famous for its colourful facades of the seaside houses. In the past, local fishermen built haystacks, storages and shelters with horizontal outside planks that were painted in the bright, welcoming colours of the sea. Over the years, the spaces were converted into housing and today's cute village was formed. The area is now a hotspot with tourists taking pictures outside the colourful architecture. And of course, enjoying the beautiful beaches. Number 2, a gondola trip. Aveiro is known as the Venice of Portugal and a gondola trip is a must when visiting the city. The boats were once used for harvesting seaweed and transporting items from the salt ponds. Now they just transport tourists. As with most things in Aveiro, the boats are bright, colourful and usually decorated with paintings that make fun of everyday situations. There are numerous companies offering trips for around €13 per person. Number 3, try the local sweet. The ovos moles de Aveiro are a local sweet and delicacy made of egg yolks and sugar. The history of the sweet comes from nuns who lived at various convents around the area. According to legend, the nuns used egg whites to clean their habits, leaving them with a surplus of egg yolks, which they used to make the pastries in order not to waste them. They then sold them to locals to raise money for their religious communities. You too can try the delicious sweets. There are numerous shops and cafes around Aveiro selling the delicacy. Number 4, a bike ride. The city of Aveiro is flat as a pancake, which is unusual as most cities in Portugal are situated on numerous hills. So take advantage of the flat landscape and explore the area the ecological way, by bike. Aveiro and the neighbouring boroughs have installed wonderful bike lanes, making it easy to explore around 393 cycle routes. You can even borrow a booga bike, which is free to use in Aveiro. Number 5, Flamingos. As you already know, Aveiro was famous for the salt pans. Not only did these attract humans, but they also attracted hundreds of bird species, including the pink flamingo. Autumn mornings and late afternoons are ideal times for watching the migratory birds, especially the flamingos. The Ria de Aveiro is full of these wonderful, colourful birds. Number 6, visit Agueda. Agueda is the city of umbrellas. Umbrella Sky project originated in 2012 and is a living installation art show. During the summer months, Rua Luz de Camões is covered in a sky of umbrellas. The beautiful and colourful umbrellas bring shade during the summer months and also create a unique, stunning and viral images. Number 7, visit the city beach. If you're looking for a lovely, splendid way to spend a relaxing afternoon in Aveiro and you don't want to travel all the way to the beach area in Costa Nova, then you can visit the city beach, where the water is 25 degrees. Now that's hot for Portugal. It's just a short hop, skip and a jump from the centre of Aveiro, and they have a hot tub which is fantastic. Number 8. Visit the salt pans. Salt production in Aveiro dates back to ancient times, which has been a significant economic activity for this area. The traditional salt production method involves using shallow artificial ponds to evaporate seawater, leaving behind the salt crystals. The process is carried out by skilled workers who carefully manage the salt pans, and as you can see, they're still doing it to this day. Number 9. Go shopping. Aveiro has a number of shopping centres, including this, the Forum Aveiro, and more traditional markets. The city features a mix of modern shopping centres, traditional markets and charming local shops. Number 10. Make a wish. Over the small bridges that go over the canals in Aveiro, you will see multiple thousands of colourful ribbons where people have tied the colourful objects to the bridge as a symbol of love, remember a person that has passed, or to make a wish. And finally, number 11, grab a bite to eat or just do what the Portuguese do and grab a coffee. In the heart of Aveiro's historic centre, close to the canal network, is a lively area known for its fish markets, restaurants, cafes and outdoor seatings where you can enjoy the local cuisine and soak in the city's vibrant ambience. The square is surrounded by colourful buildings and its open spaces often host events, markets and festivals. So come along and visit beautiful Aveiro. We always like to end the day with a cold beer. Thanks for watching. See you soon in Portugal.